Are you wondering how you can manage your food costs during Hajj without stress, while still eating healthy and staying energized for your worship? With a little planning and smart choices, you can easily stay within your budget without compromising your health or comfort. Many first-time pilgrims and families worry about Hajj budgeting, especially when it comes to food. A little preparation can save a lot of money and trouble during your sacred journey. Before you leave for Hajj, sit down and decide how much you can spend daily on food. It's better to plan a daily meal budget rather than setting a full trip lump sum. This way, you can adjust if needed according to your situation. It is advisable to set an average daily budget for food around 50 to 80 Saudi riyals per person per day, which should be sufficient to cover two main meals, typically lunch and dinner. Food prices in Makkah and Madinah vary widely depending on where you choose to eat. Budget-friendly restaurants serving Asian cuisine like Indian, Pakistani and Bangladeshi food are commonly found around both Harams. They offer meals such as curry, rice, lentils, biryani and kebabs at affordable prices, roughly between 20 to 40 Saudi riyals per person. If you prefer a more formal dining experience, mid-range to upscale hotel restaurants and buffets are also available, usually costing around 80 to 100 plus Saudi riyals per person. Popular fast food chains like Al-Baik, KFC, McDonald's and Herfy provide reliable meals at fixed prices, generally ranging from 15 to 30 Saudi riyals per person. Additionally, there are small street vendors offering shawarma wraps, falafel and burgers at very economical rates, often between 5 to 20 Saudi riyals. Some Hajj packages include meals as part of the total cost, typically providing breakfast, lunch and dinner daily. If you are on a tight budget, selecting a package that includes meals can save you from the worry of managing food expenses every day. However, many economical Hajj packages do not offer meal services. In that case, pilgrims must arrange food by themselves. If your package does not include meals, it is a smart idea to bring a small multi-purpose electric pan, rice cooker or travel cooker from home. It is also recommended to pack some dry food items and snacks such as rice, lentils, instant noodles, oatmeal, dry fruits and nuts. These items help you prepare simple healthy meals like rice, lentils, omelette, sandwiches and light snacks in your hotel room without needing to spend much outside. Furthermore, you can easily purchase fresh groceries like raw food items, marinated chicken, fruits and vegetables from nearby shopping malls or supermarkets at discounted prices. Whether you choose to cook your meals in your hotel room or buy food from outside, it is very important to maintain cleanliness and hygiene in your living space. Always clean the cooking area and utensils after use. Store any leftover food in the refrigerator to keep it fresh for the next meal. If the food cannot be consumed later, wrap it properly in a plastic bag and dispose of it in a large dustbin. Never leave food uncovered or lying around your room. Planning your food budget carefully, making smart choices about meals, and maintaining hygiene will make your Hajj experience peaceful and stress-free. What is one smart food strategy you are planning to use during your Hajj journey? Share your ideas and inspire fellow pilgrims. We hope this video clarifies your doubts. If you have any further questions, please feel free to leave your comments below. Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to the channel for Mankind for more informative content and share it with your friends and family. May Allah bless you all.